All right, this video is to show you how to request time off. You're going to first sign in, and I will tell you it is kind of a pain. It, for some reason, never recognizes my computer, even though I sign into it like, oh look, it did because I signed in earlier today. Oh, good. So to request time off, this is also where your pay information is, your tax information, all that good stuff. But you're going to come over here to time and hit the employee calendar. And then whatever day you need off, this is kind of weird, but you're going to hit request time off. It doesn't even look like a button, but it is. And this is where you'll hit PTO, you'll click your date, start. So this is where you can put the time. If you're only doing a half day, you could put, 8 a.m. and then you could put 4 hours as if you're only doing a half day. And then you could even write in here if you want and write just to confirm AM PTO. Something, even though it says right here, if you're taking the full day, then you would put 8 hours in. Okay, and then you'll hit save and it'll upload, and then the principal will approve it, and you will get an email saying you were either approved or denied. I will tell you they're pretty particular about taking PTO during like PSSA Keystone windows. Sometimes they don't like it when you take additional days and add them onto like an already happening break, like Christmas break or something. So just keep that in mind. But hopefully this helps with that. I think there's some other stuff. This is like where all your pay and just everything is in here regarding your pay and your benefits and all that good stuff.